Hello everyone, my name is Nico and I welcome you to Easy Manifesting. In this series we will chat about how to manifest our desires effortlessly in an easy manner. Today we will talk about how to let go of lust for results. So you visualized your desire or did your spell casting, let's say that you want to manifest a motorcycle for example. My question to you is this. You are aware that what you encounter in your day-to-day life is what you think most of the time about, right? Usually, if you believe something about someone, your physical environment confirms it. It obeys what you believe, right? 90% of the time, the material plane shows you exactly what you expect. If you expect rejection, you get it. If you say you don't have enough free time for yourself, many events will happen in your day-to-day life that confirms what you are affirming, that you don't have enough time, and so on and so forth. If you take a look at what you thought so far, your environment is exactly as you expect it to be. So you are used to create the bad. But isn't it so easy to just think differently for a while to change the very environment that you are looking at right now? Let me share with you a story how I did just that. So you see, I manifested a house at the beach by using Neville Goddard methods. You see, we got this house at a very good price, beyond my expectations. However, we have to do also some serious renovations to it. But what we want to do in terms of renovation and such requires some sort of approval from the city hall or town hall. We had to receive some official documents for this renovation because in them it states basically that yes, you can do this and you can do that to the construction of the house. You see, the problem was that because the house that we bought is in a small town, things in terms of legal approval from the town hall may take up to 3 or 4 months to receive something. Anyway, so we proceeded to receive these papers, but things were not moving any way faster. So this thing got the best of me. I started to feel that lust for results. My husband started to complain that the system is bad and so forth and so on. My mother-in-law, when she found out, started to curse the government for not doing their job. But deep down, I was actually the one blaming the system as well because it took them so long. So, if I study magic and manifesting, that doesn't mean that I am always perfect at this. Absolutely not. But I am trying my best to perfect this ability and to give myself a slap to wake up from time to time. Let me tell you, I was going on a spiral of frustration for about a few days just because we couldn't start the renovations without those papers. Otherwise, we may risk to get a ticket or something. I stopped myself and reminded myself, hey, I manifested this and it's time to undo it. It's time also to let go of that lust for results of mine. After waking up from this spiral of emotions, I looked online to see the status of the papers and saw that now the papers were assigned to a person. At night, before going to sleep, I visualized my husband saying to me in a happy voice that we received approval for the papers. During the day, I affirmed that I don't care when or how these papers will be approved. I just don't care I will go about my day because it's already done. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I affirm this, I don't know how many times a day, but whenever I started to think about it, I will just affirm that I don't care, that these papers are approved, and I will just go about my day because it's already done. So whenever anxiety came or a feeling of doubt or discomfort, I just cancelled those feelings by saying again and again that affirmation. In about a week, the manifestation occurred and we got those papers approved, and now we finally can start to renovate. So in order to get rid of that lust for results, I would advise you to try this method as well, to affirm whenever anxiety or doubts kicks in that I don't care when it happens or how it happens. I just know it's already mine. I don't care. I will just go about my day because it's already done. I don't have to stress about it or worry about it. I just have to give thanks that I already have that desire in my life and see how it goes, because for me it worked like a charm. That's my suggestion for letting go of that lust for results. We reached the end of the video and I would like to know, what is your favorite method of letting go of lust for results? What does work for you in this situation? Please write it down in the comments down below, and also please don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. See you next time. Until then, happy manifesting!